Hey everyone, this is Mr. Vet, and today we have the SQ9 Mini DV camera with a 360 rotating full HD 1920 by 1080, and it looks like it does everything. It records video, PC camera, you can take pictures, record audio, and even motion detection. Now, let's see here. It has a metal polishing shell, high quality image, high definition, full HD 1080p, high definition lenses, imported from Germany, contact appearance, high definition video recording in low light, high speed transmission, USB, and it supports a TV out connection and a built-in lithium battery. Okay, so let's take a look. It records in AVI for the video, for video coding, MJPEG, resolution 1280 by 720 HD or 1920 by 1080 HD. Let's see what's in the box. It uses a micro SD card as well. Alright, so we have in the box instructions, and we have the charging cable with a TV out and a USB. Okay, and then we have one looks like a dashboard mount or a windshield mount, and the clip holder. So you put that on the unit, and then you put that on there, supposedly, and you just mount it in this way. So let's see what we have for the unit. Okay. Ooh, it's very heavy. Okay, it has a steel. Alright, so it's got a steel out casing, and there's a slot for the micro USB and for the power and for the transfer. Okay, power button, mode button, and those are the lenses, infrared and motion detection. Okay. Well, according to this, the battery lasts 3.5 hours, has night vision. It uses the mini USB to connect for the interface, USB disc, motion sensor built in, yes, built-in microphone, yes, and image resolution 12 megapixels, image format JPEG, video resolution 1080 or 720p. Very good. Okay. Video format AVI, decode format MJPEG. Let's see, about 100 minutes of working time. USB to charge or connect to the PC, and the cost is about $15 to $24. Alright, so let's put this in the car and test it out. Alright everyone, so I have the SQ9 in my car currently, and it comes with this clip. It also comes with another clip so you can actually physically mount it permanently or so. This just clips onto the one, and then you can put it in your dashboard, or you can mount the other clip onto your window and then plug this clip onto it. But essentially this is the C6 Corvette, and there is no place to really put this clip without really bending it or so. So I found this thing. It's basically a clip for a garage door opener, garage remote or so. And so what I did was I just basically took my other remote off, and then I'm just going to clip this onto it and then stick it up further, and then basically the mounts there. So then you can just basically turn it on, put it on there. And see, the only thing is with with this, it kind of wobbles, so you got to get another screwdriver and tighten that up right there so this doesn't move or whatever. But I'm going to try this and see exactly how good it is. I got an 8 gig card in it, and let's see here. According to this booklet, to turn the unit on, let's see, I don't know if you can see that very well. It's very, very blurry in this. Let's see here. Okay, to begin recording, it says to press on the on-off to start the machine, and then a blue light is for starting it up, and then press on-off once for 720p video. After 3 times of blue light and red light flashing, no tip for the video process. 5 minute of automatic segmentation store. Okay, so I'm going to try and turn this unit on and see exactly how good the video is in it, because I'm not really sure. I can't tell you. Okay, so I'm going to push the power button. Make sure a blue light is on. Okay, there's the blue light, and it's solid. And then press it once, and there it goes. It flashes 1, 2, 3. Now it should be recording. Should be. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try. And then once I get the video, I'll put it on, and you can see exactly what kind of quality it is. All right. You can hear me, but if not, at least you can see how the unit operates. So let's see what we do. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Looks like one of the first years of the cop cam, so I'm not really sure. It does have a motion sensor activate, but I cannot tell you without reading the book further exactly how to turn that function on. Hopefully you can hear exactly everything. Okay everyone, so once you actually take the unit out of the vehicle and you are ready to take the files off, you have this right here on the back where I had the micro SD, and you can pull that out, put that into your computer, and see what kind of files you have. Or you can plug this unit up to it by this cable to USB to your computer and see what files you have as well. So let's do that. Let's see which files we have. Alright, so when we plug up the micro SD card, you have three folders. You got a photo folder, a video folder, and a set time folder. So let's take a look at the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's plug it up and see if it finds. Okay everyone, so to see your files back, the only way it looks like is through the SD card that you have mounted. Pull that out and all your videos and photos will be on that. As it says in this manual notes, a T-Flash micro SD card must be inserted into the product. If no card is inserted into the product, blue light and red light flash, and the product cannot be used normally. It does also say you can plug it with this into the back of a television when the SD card or videos are on it, and you can watch your photos and everything. So let's plug this in and see what it looks like anyway. Alright, when you plug up the unit, it does pop up and it does tell you it's going to install drivers, but no device shows. There's nothing that comes up, so the only real way to use this unit is to buy the micro SD, is to put in micro SD. Alright everyone, so after taking the unit out of the vehicle, as you can see, it is a pretty decent unit. It does record not too bad. It has good audio or so. It's pretty good construction if you were to drop it or so. It's not made out of hard plastic other than this piece right here, so it probably will withstand a drop or so. I did not try out the infrared functions or motion or anything like that. The instructions are not exactly the easiest to use. I did understand the 720p as you were to hold down this power button until the light turns blue and then press it again, as for if you were like just to start recording at 720p. And that's how I initially tested it, but it does have others. It has 1080p without flashing light or photographs, infrared lamp on and off, motion detection, and then you can charge while you're actually recording video. And then it has this TV out mode where you can plug, of course, the unit to your television and watch or look at all the pictures that it has. But overall, it is not a bad unit. It's pretty reasonable. It costs $15 to $24 or so if you're looking for something that will suffice for just as a DVR or as for a motion camera while you're driving or so, while you're for safety. Well, the good news is, if you're interested in this unit, just comment down below and we will choose one of the comments, and in our next video we'll let you know who wins and we'll send you this unit for free. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and look for more unboxings and such. Thank you.